back to my channel. My name is Ayana. I'm a licensed massage therapist. I own a mobile spa here in Tallahassee, Florida. And in this video, you're going to see a vlog. As some of you know, I am an esthetician student. And so today I'm taking you to school with me. I'm going to be doing some facial appointments and I'm going to get a facial. So that's going to be really cool. Again, like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you stick until the end of the video. And yeah, make sure you check the description box below. Alright, so it's time to get ready for my first facial of the day. So what I need to do is go ahead and disinfect everything, organize all my supplies. I need to get some hot towels going, organize what products I'm going to be using on my clients, and just really get my mind right before I start. Also, make sure you stick throughout the whole video because I'm going to be talking about why I even went to esthetician school in the first place and just talking more about the process. So recently I went on Instagram and asked you all if you're dual licensed, and this is what you had to say. So it looks like 77% of you are massage therapists and 15% of you are dual licensed. So thanks for responding to that poll on Instagram. This was my first client of the day, and so to get my hours for esthetician school, what I did is I went on Instagram and I put a poll on my business page asking my customers and clients if they would like to get a free facial service, and a lot of them responded, and so this was one of the clients that responded. I had never seen this client before, so I think this is a great tip for you if you're curious about how to get some new clients, but if you need more help getting new clients, I do have a free booklet, 20 ways to get massage clients. I'm sure it can apply to getting facial clients, and so look at that in the description box. So I'm going to take this opportunity to talk to you all and kind of catch up and chit chat. First, I want to thank you all for 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is huge to me. That means so much to me. So thank you for following me and believing in my content and letting me know that you like my content. It really, really helps. So recently I got a few questions on my other videos about why I decided to go to esthetician school in the first place. So I went to school for massage therapy in 2016 and I graduated in 2017. And actually it was at the same school that you see me at now, in the same classroom. And I wanted to go back to school in 2022 to become an esthetician so that I could broaden my range of services that I could provide. And so if you follow my content, a lot of you know that I have a wrist injury that never fully healed properly. So that limits the amount of sessions I can do, which is why it was so important for me to build and scale my business back in 2020 and hire my staff so that I can spend more time at home, earning passive income, growing my business, saving my body, and all that good stuff. And so I'm happy I did that because it allowed me the time, money, and freedom to go to esthetician school. And I wanted to add esthetician to my license so that I could also save my body and I could do more beauty services and not just facials. So the niche of massage that I'm in, it kind of intersects with the beauty industry, and there are certain services that some of my clients are waiting for me to offer, and I'll be able to do that as an esthetician. And there's just so much you can do as an esthetician. It's not just skincare, but I've always been interested in skincare, especially advanced skincare. I've studied skincare before, and I've always wanted to develop my own line of products one day. So going to esthetician school felt like the best step to learn more about the industry and become a dual licensed spa professional. So I hope that answers your question about why I went to esthetician school, and I will be sharing more content about the process of becoming an esthetician and sharing my journey of how I plan to use use it for my license. And so make sure you subscribe for more content and follow me on Instagram, because I share daily content about how I run my current massage business. And so you could see how I incorporate facials and other types of beauty services and how the business grows over time. I think this is my favorite part of doing facials, is when I put a mask on the client and let it sit, and then I take that opportunity to do a shoulder massage, neck massage, and then I also massage the arms and hands. And I really try to take my time doing that. And the client really enjoyed that. I don't know about y'all, but I've had some facials where the massage is just not so good. And so it's great that I'm already a licensed massage therapist, so I know what I'm doing when it comes to massaging the shoulders and the arms and all that. So that's my favorite part of the facial. At the time of editing this video, my mentorship program, SpaBizSuccess, is actually closed for enrollment, but we do have a wait list, and I'll leave that in the description box below. But I am just so excited for all the students I've been working with, and we've been getting some really good results in this program. And if you want to learn more about it, it's going to be in the description box below. I'm not going to talk about it too much in this video. There will be more parts to this video because I filmed a lot of content of my esthetician school experience. So let me know in the comments below if you would like to see that type of content, and also let me know if you would prefer longer vlogs that show more of the day in the life, of the day-to-day of running my business, going to esthetician school, and all the other things that I do. Let me know if you would enjoy seeing that. And thank you again for watching this far, and I will see y'all in the next video. Stay well. Bye.